Hi, it's Barb here from Tri-County Occupational Therapy. Today I'm going to show you some different things to do with cards. Most of us have a deck of cards laying around our house. I have this box of Uno cards that I just kind of keep right here. So you can play regular Uno with your kiddos. Just make sure you talk about house rules before you start, and everybody knows how many they have to draw if they can't play, and just how to play in general. I do separate out my main cards, my draw twos, my skips and reverses, and I ask people up front, do you want to play with the mean cards? Usually my older kids are definitely yes, want the mean cards. But you can just tuck those away so you can play. You can totally play Uno just with the number cards and the color cards and things like that. I still keep out like the wild because that's kind of fun to make a choice and looking at everything. I love games. Games are so fun and they teach you so many skills, and they have a lot of good fine motor. They've got social skill, interaction, following patterns, reading, looking at stuff, sorting, all of this. So Uno is fantastic for that. So I'm not going to go over too much of the rules on how to play, but ways to adapt it. So maybe you have kiddos who are still learning it and don't know how to play yet. So you can definitely give them their cards, and then everybody just put their cards out so everybody can see the cards. And then I usually say, okay, put all your greens together, your yellows together, your blues, your reds together. So they're organized that way. But then when you are actually playing and it's your turn, you can look at it and say, oh, I need to find a blue, and then really exaggerate everything. Oh, here's blue, I can play that. It's your turn. And then they take a turn and maybe they turn it over. Oh, do I have a red? Yes, things like that until you get to one that, oh, this is good. This is perfect actually. So this is a blue 8, and I look and I don't have any blues. So then you can reinforce like, oh, look at the numbers. What number is this? Okay, here's an 8, I can change it. So you can have it like that. And that's really good. And some people can still hold their cards up if they want to not be totally open. You can have like a card holder, and there's lots of ones out there. I found some at Target for like $6, and you can get a set of 2. But this one I actually just made because I forgot the other ones that I had. So these are just like 2 condiment lids that you might get from a restaurant and stuff like that. And then I just put them like flat sides together and stapled it right there. I put the little tape on the back because I didn't want anybody to get pokey. But then what you can do is you just slide the card in between the 2 lids, and then you have yourself a handy dandy card holder. If that's what your kiddo wants to work on, wants to hold them up just the same as everybody else in the family. So then they can do it that way, okay? So you've got something like that. Now, you're gonna say, Miss Barb, my kiddo's not ready for Uno yet. That's okay, that's okay. So you can definitely do whatever you want to with cards. You can try to build them and stack them. I'm not so good at that, but you can try that if you like. You can play 52 card pickup. That's always fun, but kind of messy. Another thing you can do is I found an old shoebox. I use shoeboxes a lot. And then what I did is I cut, without the kids' help, I cut some different slashes in there about the same width of the card. So you could have your kiddo just, I'm gonna take these off just for a second, show you. You can just have your kiddo just practice putting in the cards like that in different ways. So in different orientations, things of that nature, because that's kind of fun. Kids will do this a lot, and pretty much all day. Or you can get tricky and you can have some color sorting like this. So you can give your kiddo a stack of cards and go, oh, it's blue, so I have to find the blue one, put it in the right way. Oh, there's a red one. So you can keep them busy that way. Here's a green one. Oh, here's a wild. Where's the wild go? Oh, down here. Ooh, tricky. So stuff like that. I'm sure there's lots of other things you can do with cards, but give it a try.